let's talk about margins. What are margins? Margins are super simple. It's basically the square or the white space around your main text. So if you have a piece of text like this is one of your pages, and this is your text like this, blah, 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 blah. And you have a page number here with page 16, and then you have the same thing here, blah, 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 text. And then here you have page 16. This right here is your text box, but this white part around it, that's your margin. So your margins are how far of a distance your piece of text has from the edge of the page. So from here to here and from here to here might have a margin of 0.25 inches. So the difference between the edge of the page and the edge of the text, so this difference here is 0.25 inches. Now what if we look at this? This text is obviously much smaller than this one. So the difference between the edge of the page and the edge of the text is much bigger than 0.25. It's probably going to be 2 inches here. So this page has higher margins because the margins are bigger. Now, what's going to pop up on your screen now is the suggested margins that Amazon gives you. Make sure you follow those margins, but most of the time what I like to do is I like to increase it by at least 0.175 of an inch or 0.125. It doesn't really matter as long as it's slightly bigger than what Amazon recommends. And the reason why is because if I have slightly bigger margins, that means when my page is like this, if I have slightly bigger margins on the top and bottom, I have more space to put my page number here and to put some extra bit of text here, which are your headers. We're going to talk about that in a bit. But those are margins. That's what margins mean.